Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to customize our Shopify store to create a clean and professional brand look. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Here we can see the online store. Click on that. Then go to the theme. Here edit theme. Initially I update the logo to match my brand. So I give a name Smart Card Hub. So I had to change the logo. Here we can add the logo. The logo has been changed. So here we can set the desktop height, mobile height, etc. Next, I update the announcement bar with latest offers. I have add another block. Okay, it has been changed. Next, I change the banner to make it more attractive. Okay, and you can change this too. Next, you can update the background image. Here in this image, select. Okay, background image has been updated. Next, you can adjust the background color for more attractive or clean look. So go to the settings. Here we can see more options. Click on color. I change the background color to here you can change with your preference. Finally, you can save all the changes. Changes has been updated. So this is how we can customize our Shopify store as per our preference. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.